Alright, today I'm going to be replacing the air filter on my 2013 Ram 3500 with the 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine. The filter that I have here is the Wix 46930. I picked it up from my local parts house. I have the Ram active air induction system. So what I'm going to do is use a nut driver to remove the 3 screws. And I'm also going to loosen the clamp on the elbow at the air filter box outlet to allow me to turn the box lid easier. So let me finish removing these screws. I'm just going to take these screws and set them to the side. Alright, so now we can pull the old filter, and as you can see, it is pretty dirty. Let me set it to the side here, and I'll open the box for the new filter. There we go. So this is the new filter. Nice and clean. I'm going to pause the recording here so I can insert this filter into the box. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I've got the filter inserted in the box. While you're in here, this may be a good time to go ahead and clean your intake air temperature sensor and your MAF sensor. Make sure that you use MAF sensor cleaner. You don't want to use anything that's chlorinated. I would recommend against using brake cleaner, carb cleaner, anything like that. Make sure you get the right cleaner for this particular application. You don't want to damage those sensors. The other thing I would recommend is cleaning your MAP sensor. Your MAP sensor is on the back side of the elbow here, on the outlet of your intercooler. It's in between the butterfly valve and the, hold on a second, and the EGR inlet. And this sensor can get sooted up really badly. It's not as important as your MAF sensor. The MAF sensor is the primary sensor that the control computer uses to determine things like fueling. So once you've cleaned those, I usually remove them and clean them. It's fairly easy to do. 1 screw for the intake air temperature, and 1 screw for the, actually 2 screws for the MAF sensor. And once you've got those cleaned, you can reinstall them and put everything back together. Reverse of removal, of course. And that's going to be it. And once you've got a new air filter in here, hopefully things will perform a little bit better and you'll get better mileage. So if you have any questions or comments, put those down below. I thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.